In this video, you will learn how to become a Western Union agent, meet the basic requirements, ensure you have a valid business license, a secure location, and the necessary infrastructure, such as internet and access to a PC or POS system. Visit the Western Union website, go to the official Western Union website, then navigate to Become an Agent section. Fill out the application form, provide your business details, contact information, and the location in your agent form application. Wait for review and contact. Western Union will review your application and contact you verifying details and may request additional information or documentation. Set up the equipment. Once you are approved, you will receive the required software, training and signage to operate as an agent. Start offering Western Union services. After the setup and training, you can begin processing money transfers and assisting different customers. Now you know how to become a Western Union agent. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.